All right, so many people look up to others as their role models, wanting to pattern their decisions and their lives after those they admire. We saw one picture this morning of somebody who was trying to do that. Well, here to help us take a look at the influence of role models, we've got Associate Counseling Psychologist Rosemary Vordow.
No.
Yes?
Yes, it's true.
Got it. Hello, Miss Rosie. Good morning.
Hi,
Good to see
morning,
you.
guys. Thanks.
Gosh, Rosie was
having me.
once studying worms in sheep and goats.
Yes,
And
once
then you
upon
ended
a
up in
time.
media.
And then I
Who
ended
was
up
your
in
role
media.
model in media?
Morty Perkins. You know, I loved to read him first. I learned, you know that word obfuscation? I remember one of Morty's Sunday articles, obfuscatory. And I thought, what is that? And I still remember that word to this day. I still remember the article. And he was so articulate, and I loved his grasp of English and his insight into issues.
Yeah.
So he remained both as a print journalist and a radio journalist.
Okay. I asked you that
favorite.
because I kind of wanted to segue into the discussion. How we choose role models, who role models are. There are people who we refer to as role models who themselves say they don't see themselves and don't want to be seen in that way. And the discussion kind of has been sparked by Davina Bennett and what
Yes.
she did in the beauty competition the other day. You had a daughter in a competition, so you know the ins and outs
Yes.
of this thing. Do you think rightly she deserves that title?
Doing stuff like that too early. When I say too early, I mean, and then 2 weeks later down the road, I'm not talking about Davina at all.
Yeah.
But 2 weeks later down the road, you hear say the athlete is on drugs, and
Yes.
do you run the risk of
Well, it's not a matter of too early. It's not recognizing that role models are human and they have feet of clay. You know, for many of us, I don't want to call the name since it's still a case, but although he has come out and apologized, which sounds like he has accepted responsibility, one of the most successful persons in American media and morning show like yours, the person who became the personality of that show has been shown to be alleged to have committed actions which are reprehensible
Horrible.
and totally diametrically opposed to the image he portrays
America's
on
dad.
television. Yes, and so role models can do that. It can happen that your role model turns out to be not perfect, and there is no perfect human being, and some are less perfect than others. So it's always important when you choose a role model to look at what it is you admire in that person. Take that, and so okay, so I don't know what will happen, you know, with whatever role model, but take the good things and use them for yourself. One of the other dangers, Neville, as you asked that, is to try to be exactly like that person. Now, you know, my natural hair is different from Davina, so I can't have that afro looking like that, but, you know, yay, she's a naturalista. So be your own person in that way. I know one person said her role model was someone she just saw at graduation come up to get her PhD with a baby, and that said to her, I can have a PhD and I can have a family, and that
do
lady
it all,
remained
yes.
her role model. Now the person may have faults.
Is there, you find sometimes a flawed process as to how role model is chosen or who a role model is? Are we suffering from that in this country particularly?
Yeah, well, there's a huge question about how we choose role models, and there's no perfect psychological or sociological explanation for it. It's called vicarious reinforcement. And so we look at persons who have what we may want and think we can get that. A lot of that on the opposite end is happening in this country, where persons get things illegally by behavior that is not admirable, but maybe young children look and say, well, if that's how you get wealthy, you know, that's what I want to be. And so you find in the inner city many young children want to be dons, you know. And I even find, I work in the inner city a lot, my young people who go to UTech, for example, come out and want to be security guards. They cannot see, to them that's the epitome. They can't see beyond that for themselves because they don't have a role model of where they're coming from that is not necessarily, you know, we don't show enough of those positive role models.
Which is
from
not
where
to
they're
say
coming
that
from.
security guards are not positive role models.
Not at
because
all.
you have very ambitious young men and young women who do. That's a hard job to do, you know.
Yes,
It's a
it
rough
is.
work.
Yes, it is.
So then, but for those of us who have kids, how do we ensure that we get them to pattern the right people?
Well, the first
Especially
person they are
YouTube
patterning is you. Patterning is you. Yes.
Good point there.
Yeah. And not what you say, but what you do. Children are very perceptive. And so a lot of persons think they can tell their children what to do. Do what I say, but not what I do. It does not work.
Yeah.
They're going to do what you do. And they see through you. Yes, never they see through you.
Wow.
So that you're their first role model. Other than that is to expose them to positive role models. We can't choose our role model for our children. If we try to choose, they're going to go the opposite. So don't try that, but expose them to positive role models. And as you mentioned, in this internet age, be aware of what your children are watching, who they are admiring, talk to them. Spend some time to
Yes,
talk
I'm learning
to
a
them.
lot.
Yeah, you're learning, right?
I never knew what a Jojo Siwa was. I don't know that I still do. But
who?
apparently,
What a what?
okay.
Oh,
Yeah. Jojo Siwa.
okay.
Jojo
Yes,
Siwa.
yes.
I have
no idea
Apparently
what
used
that
to be
is.
a dancer and dance moms, and now she has her own. I'm learning all of this.
Oh,
Jojo
okay,
Siwa.
okay. That's
Yeah.
probably a little younger than my
Just
children,
a
so I
tad,
don't
just
know.
well,
Right.
Yeah.
So, but it's a conversation you have
Yes,
to have
I make
and
sure.
ask, why do you admire this person? You know, what it is that you would like to do. How does that fit in with who you are? Have that conversation with your child at whatever level, in very simple ways, if
I was
it's
just
a
about
little
to say, when you
person,
start that.
and then from their young.
And they have to be careful, because
From their young.
a parent told me at St. George's College that I can get her child to do things that they can't. But it's because I make him do something that him enjoy. Him love football, and if him don't do what I tell him to do, him feel I will stop him from that. That doesn't necessarily make me a role model for him, does it?
Well, it can, and there is no science around how we choose role models. So, you know, we still don't understand necessarily why
a
I would
qualitative
choose.
thing.
Yes, it's individual,
It's a hard thing,
and
yeah.
every individual chooses a role model based on something in them that they want.
But bottom line, there's nothing wrong with having a role model. But as you rightly said,
It's a good thing. It
you just
inspires
need
you.
to ensure that you know the reason you like the guy or the girl, and the reason you want to follow the things that they do.
And also to understand that you still have to walk your own path. Those role models achieve something,
Yep.
walking a path that you are going to have to walk yourself. Stay yourself. Don't try to be exactly like the person,
Okay.
but be your own self and choose someone who, for their qualities are something that take you to a better place.
Yeah, man. Thanks for coming.
Yes,
Have a
thank
great
you.
holiday.
Thank you for
Next
being
Friday,
here.
you're in jeans, lady.
Yes,
Associate counseling psychologist,
yes,
Rosemary
yes,
Bordeaux.
stretch jeans.
Yes, please.
All right, more inspired when we come back. Stay with us, please.
Obviously.
Fun.